Subject name is control system. Our subject name is control system. So system means in the first class we discussed a few components put together, joining them together to form a big equipment that is called system. Physical components connected together to form a bigger machine that is called a system. And the input, the other name is excitation signal or stimuli, stimulus or excitation signal. This is the other name for input. And output is also called response. The other name for output is response. And if you see control, if we are regulating here in the system, input, output, system, all these things are there. When we call the system as control system, there should be some relation between input, output, and there is some control over the system. We are operating the system in order to get some output. So if that is done, then it is called control system. So I am going to the other name for input.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Someone named Aminuddin is waiting outside. Can you please allow him, ma'am?
Excitation signal is the other name for input. So here no access for me. Kindly join with Karunya mail ID and put your register number followed by name. Register number followed by name. So other name for input is excitation signal, and it is also called stimulus. Stimulus is also one of the name for input signal. Coming to the output, the other name is response. Output, it is also called response. And if we regulate, if we do some control over this entire thing, input, output, and system, if we are controlling one and the other, then it is called, that parameter or that phenomena is called control. Combining the two, system and control, put together, it is called control system. This is the thing, it is an arrangement of physical elements where we will regulate or command itself to in order to achieve some objective. We will have some objective. For that purpose, we will be monitoring or we will be having control over the input and output. That is called control system. And now coming to the difference between system and control system. System will have some output. It may or may not be the desired output. So it will give some proper output. System will give some proper output, but it may or may not be the desired output. That is called a system. If the output is desired output, then it is called control system. Okay, because we are controlling, in order to achieve some objective, we are having some regulation over the input and the system in order to get the desired output, and hence it is called control system. And if you see here, example, I am taking a fan, and this fan is not having wings. In that particular case, our output is airflow. Without wings, there will not be airflow, and we are not getting either proper output or the desired output. And hence this cannot be called as a system. There is a fan, but without wings, there is no airflow because of this reason. And in that case, it cannot be called as a system because we are not getting either proper output or the desired output. And if you go to the other thing, if you take fan with wings, if you see in the railway station and all, when you switch on the fan, there will not be any control over the speed of the fan. Okay, they might have fixed everything internally for a common setup in the railway stations particularly. Here, if you see, the fan is present with wings, but there is no regulator present over here. There is no, the fan is having blades. Blades or wings are one and the same. But without regulator. Regulator is to change the speed of the fan. When we are switching from 1, 2, 3 up to 5, that regulator is not present over here. So the airflow is a constant. Constant speed, rotation of the wings, rotation of the blades. In this case, we are getting proper output, but particularly if we want to increase or decrease the airflow, that is not obtained. Desired output cannot be obtained. Desired output cannot be obtained. In the second case, there are wings, but there is no regulator. Proper output is obtained. Proper output is obtained, but it is not desired output. In this case, it is called a system. In this case, it is called a system. Now, if you take the same fan with regulator present, where we can change the points, increase or decrease the airflow speed or the speed of the wings. In that case, regulator is also present, blades also present, desired output is obtained, and hence it is called control system. Okay, we have seen three different cases: a fan without blades and without regulator, a fan with blades and without regulator. Third case, we are having a fan with blades and with regulator. Okay, and these are the things. And here, if you see, these are the different cases. These are the different cases in a system. Okay. And here, if you see, this control system plays a major role. In many of the engineering and sciences applications. In different applications, control system has a vital or major role. And if you see in industries also, in manufacturing industries, this is numerical control. Numerical control means, for example, wood cutting machine. If you have seen wood cutting machine, it will be giving the length of the wood, how much way, at which point. There will be a scale, and that scale will be measured upon the wood, and at one particular point the wood will be cut. Okay, so that is numerical control system. Machine tools. For example, if you see the manufacturing of a cot, chairs, dining table, like that, they will have some measurement. Okay, our classroom tables also, while manufacturing, they will have some measurement, length and breadth, and the wood, whatever the raw material, whatever got, will not be the exact size, and it should be cut in proper manner to design the required equipments. In that particular case, numerical control system means the scale will be present and it will be operated so that the wood will be correctly cut. At the required positions, and these things come in the industries, numerical control. Okay. Our first topic is industrial control system. These are some of the applications where control system is used in industries. So aerospace industries, autopilot system, then cars and trucks design, in automobile industries. All these are different applications where control system is used in industries. And if you see some more industrial applications, we have pressure control, temperature control, humidity also. Humidity means water level. Viscosity, the density. If you see, if you put oil on water or kerosene on water, it will be floating because the density of kerosene or oil is less compared to the density of water, and that is related to viscosity of different materials we are using. Then flow in the process industries. Flow control. If you have, for example, if you take toothpaste, the mouth of the toothpaste, how much width is there? Based on that, we will the amount of toothpaste we will be using. Similarly, flow control means liquid flow. What is the size of the pipe in which the liquid is flowing? All this comes under flow control. All these are industry related issues, and control system is used in all these different areas. And if you see, there are a variety or number of classifications in control system. Naturally, control system is present, man-made control system is there, manual control system, automatic control system. If you see universe, human body, these are natural because they operate, and the output, whatever we obtain, maybe desired output, based on that, okay, the universe here and whatever operating in the universe, it is naturally happening. And coming to man-made control system, vehicles are there, aeroplanes. Manual control system means we have to control the water level control, room temperature regulation via electric fan. All these are manual control system. Coming to automatic control system. Using AC, room temperature can be regulated. This is automatic control system. Without intervention of human, okay, we can just fix up some timings. Based on that, the AC will be switched on, like that. Okay, like alarm, we can fix up the timings when the AC should be switched on. That comes under automatic control system. But in the case of fan, we have to manually operate the fan. That comes under manual control system. Human body temperature control, it is also automatic control system. There are different other types of control system, open loop and closed loop control system. We will discuss in detail. Washing machine, toaster, bread toaster, electric fan, all these are open loop. Closed loop are refrigerator, autopilot, driverless cars. These are closed loop control system. And there are also linear and non-linear control systems. And here you can see the diagram, a straight line. So x-axis as the value increases, appropriate value change increase happens in the output. Whatever increase in the x-axis takes place, an appropriate amount of increase occurs in the y value also, appropriate or proportional. It is a 45 degrees line. It is a 45 degrees line, which means whatever change on x-axis, similar change will happen on the y-axis. This is called linear. Linear means 45 degrees angle. The graph should be, in the previous day I was telling Ohm's law, V is proportional to I. When whatever increase in the current happens, similar increase in the voltage also takes place, and that is called linear property of the resistor. Similarly, capacitor and inductor also, those are linear elements. Non-linear means this graph will not come. This is a graph for RLC. Either you take resistor or a capacitor or an inductor. If you draw the graph between voltage and current, between the voltage and current in that particular component. If you take a resistor, voltage in the resistor, current in the resistor, if you draw a graph between them, it will be a straight line as the first case. Okay, and hence it is called linear. Non-linear means straight line will not come. Any zigzag type of waveform, it is a non-linear. This type of graph can be obtained in transistors, BJT transistors, or there are diodes. Diodes also give non-linear graph. So all these are non-linear control systems. So now I will go with the next type of classifications.